For stories around the globe, China hits back at the United States over the latter's criticism of Beijing's new export rules over rare earth materials, a key component used in advanced technologies and military equipment. Son Santiago has more.
China hits back at the United States, accusing Washington of spreading panic and misrepresenting Beijing's trade policies. A spokesperson from China's Ministry of Commerce said U.S. officials have exaggerated the country's new export control measures, creating what she called unnecessary misunderstanding and panic. At the center of the issue are China's new export restrictions on rare earth materials, key components used in advanced technologies and military equipment, among others. Under the new rule, exporting rare earths will now be required to apply for government licenses. China currently possesses over 90% of the world's rare earth supply, giving it major control over global production lines. This policy, however, alarmed Washington officials. U.S. Trade Representative described China's move as a global supply chain power grab, urging Beijing to reverse the decision. Meanwhile, U.S. President Donald Trump accused China's export curbs a hostile act, accusing Beijing of holding the world hostage by limiting access to these critical materials. Trump also warned a 100% tariff on Chinese-made products, a measure that could take effect as early as the next month. Beijing, however, defended its decision, saying the policy is consistent with international practices and that exports for civilian use will still be allowed. On the other hand, Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping are expected to meet in the coming weeks in South Korea to try to discuss the ongoing dispute. This is Son Santiago for EuroTV News.
Hi, this is Griza Lopez. Follow and tune in with our daily live newscast only on EuroTV News Threads official Facebook page. You may also catch us at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel and on our other social media accounts. You may also visit our official website, eurotvph.com, for more news and information.